Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into the top skills you need to learn by 2025. These skills will make you more competitive and help you stay ahead in this fast-paced world. We'll explore 5 must-learn skills projected to be in high demand. From data analysis to emotional intelligence, these skills will equip you for tomorrow's challenges. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Data analysis is set to be one of the most crucial skills by 2025. Companies rely on data to make informed decisions, optimize operations, and drive growth. Imagine extracting meaningful insights from vast datasets to influence business strategies. It's not just about crunching numbers, it's about telling a story through data. Tools like Python, R, and SQL are commonly used in this field. The demand for data analysts and data scientists is skyrocketing. Reports suggest the job market for data professionals will grow by 30% over the next few years. These skills are highly transferable across industries like finance, healthcare, marketing, and e-commerce. Numerous online courses on platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and edX offer comprehensive training. Hands-on projects and data challenges can provide practical experience. Start with the basics and gradually work your way up. Understanding core concepts like data cleaning, visualization, and statistical analysis is crucial. From there, delve into advanced topics like machine learning and predictive analytics. Practice is key, so keep experimenting with different data sets and tools. Data analysis is a powerful skill that will be indispensable in the coming years. Make sure to include data analysis in your skill-building journey. Next up, let's talk about digital marketing. Digital marketing encompasses activities like social media marketing, content creation, SEO, and email campaigns. It's crucial for businesses looking to reach a global audience. Digital marketing skills can benefit anyone from entrepreneurs to professionals. Creating compelling content, engaging with your audience, and analyzing marketing metrics can set you apart. Digital marketing allows you to track and measure campaign performance in real time. Tools like Google Analytics, Facebook Ads Manager, and HubSpot are essential. The demand for digital marketing skills is growing rapidly. Industry reports suggest millions of jobs will be created in this sector. Countless online resources, including blogs, webinars, and courses, are available. Websites like HubSpot Academy, Moz, and Neil Patel offer valuable insights. Practical experience through internships, freelance projects, or starting your own blog can help build a strong portfolio. Stay updated with the latest trends and technologies. Digital marketing is a must-learn skill with immense potential in the modern job market. Invest in learning digital marketing and watch your career soar. Cybersecurity is another critical skill that will be in high demand by 2025. With increasing reliance on digital technologies, the threat of cyber attacks has become more prevalent. Cybersecurity involves practices and technologies designed to protect systems, networks, and data from cyber threats. High-profile cyber attacks have highlighted the need for robust security measures. The demand for cybersecurity experts is growing as more devices and services become interconnected. Online courses and certifications like CompTIA Security Plus, CISP, and CH provide a solid foundation. Hands-on experience is crucial in cybersecurity. Participating in Capture the Flag competitions and working on real-world projects can help. Stay updated with the latest cybersecurity news and trends. Networking with professionals in the field can provide valuable insights and opportunities. Mentorship from experienced professionals can guide you in navigating the complexities of cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is a vital skill that will continue to be in high demand. By developing expertise in cybersecurity, you'll be able to protect digital assets. Start your cybersecurity journey today. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is revolutionizing industries and transforming the way we live and work. AI involves developing algorithms and systems that perform tasks requiring human intelligence. Applications of AI range from healthcare and finance to entertainment and manufacturing. AI-powered tools can assist in identifying diseases and predicting market trends. Numerous online courses and programs cater to different levels of expertise. Platforms like Coursera, Udacity, and MIT OpenCourseWare offer comprehensive AI courses. Programming skills in languages like Python and R are essential for AI development. Familiarity with frameworks like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Keras can enhance your ability to create AI models. Practice is key, so work on projects that align with your interests. Stay updated with the latest advancements in AI. Following AI research papers, attending conferences, and joining AI communities can help. Collaboration with peers and mentors can provide valuable insights. AI is a game-changing skill that will shape the future of various industries. Take the plunge into the world of AI and unlock your potential. Last but not least, let's talk about emotional intelligence, or EI. EI refers to the ability to understand, manage, and express emotions effectively. It involves empathy, self-awareness, social skills, and relationship management. Emotional intelligence plays a crucial role in building strong interpersonal relationships. Leaders with high EI can inspire and motivate their teams. Employees with strong EI are better equipped to navigate social dynamics and handle stress. The demand for emotional intelligence is growing as organizations recognize its impact. Individuals with high EI tend to have better job satisfaction and higher productivity. Self-awareness is the first step in developing emotional intelligence. Mindfulness practices like meditation and journaling can help. Empathy is another key component of EI. Practice active listening and try to understand others' perspectives. Managing emotions effectively is essential for emotional intelligence. Techniques like deep breathing and stress management can help. Emotional intelligence is a powerful skill that can enhance your personal and professional life. Start your emotional intelligence journey today and unlock your potential. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Let us know in the comments which skill you're most excited to learn. We've covered a lot today, from data analysis to emotional intelligence. Each skill offers unique opportunities and can enhance your career prospects by 2025. Check out the links in the description for additional resources and courses. Stay curious, stay motivated, and keep striving for excellence. See you next time.